welcome back to my channel. Today we are going on a styled photo shoot in Banner Elk, North Carolina. It's in the Asheville area, so I'm going to take y'all along with me. This week's super busy for me too, but I'm just going to take y'all along for every bit of today, and I hope y'all enjoy this video. As always, please like and subscribe if you wish to support me. Love y'all. So anytime I basically do anything in my whole life, I get Starbucks. So we're about to order my favorite drink ever, and then I get to drink it with my bagels.
Good morning, thanks for choosing Starbucks. What can we get started for you today?
Hey, can I get a venti vanilla sweet cream cold brew with sugar-free vanilla and a pump of white mocha?
Is that all for you today?
Yes, that'll be it.
Alright, does everything look correct on your screen?
Yes.
Alright, your total is $5.39. We'll see you at the window.
Thank you. It's expensive, but it's worth it. No, but anyways, I get a venti vanilla sweet cream cold brew with sugar-free vanilla syrup to lessen the sugar, and then I do a pump of white mocha if I'm really like treating myself. I love Starbucks. Like, I get it for any occasion that I possibly can. Probably not the best because it's $5 every time I come, but I basically get it for anything. So I am getting Starbucks. The trip that I'm taking is about 2 hours. If I do anything interesting along the way, I will update y'all, but I'm planning on just going straight there. I do have my little buddy Hydro Jug with me because we had to stay hydrated today. This is like the easiest way for me to stay hydrated. I drink like 2 of those a day, but like having that half a gallon with me when I have no access to like water and I don't want to pay for it, obviously my Hydro Jug's great and it's cute. Like, it's easy. You can put the strap on your shoulder and carry it. I have a link down below that you can shop through if you wish to support me. If not, totally okay, but I love Hydro Jug's products and I'm looking forward to working with them. But yeah, I just brought along some things like to keep me on track today. So I have an Alani Nutrition Munchies protein bar, some baked barbecue chips just to have like a carb, probably not the most healthy carb, but it still fits into my macro, so that's just what I'm going with today to make it easy. And I'm hoping that there's a Subway that I can stop at too after I'm finished with makeup. But I'm going to video my setup for y'all, and if the models are comfortable with it, I will show y'all their makeup looks and where I am going today. So stay tuned. Okay, I just had to show y'all my drink really quick. Heaven. Okay, so we have arrived and I'm about to unpack my stuff and head into Battleborn Beauty. I'm so excited, and I'm going to set up and show y'all what I'm doing today.
gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We'll never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Oh yeah, this summer night, this summer night. Oh, this summer night.
camera died, but I have my iPhone 12 Pro, so we're just gonna go with it. I just finished my makeup for today and we checked out the venue, and I found a Subway, so I'm gonna go get a foot-long sandwich with turkey and provolone and light mayonnaise, and hopefully they have Diet Dr. Pepper. Thanks. goodness, I'm starving. All right, y'all, I'm home. If you know me, you know I don't love driving, especially by myself. Thomas always gets the bad end of it. Like, I hate driving. So I made it home. I'm actually at my Mimi's house right now. I'm about to take Chipper out. I will let y'all see him. He's the cutest thing in the world, and he's actually looking out the window at me right now. My family's at a baseball game for my brother, but I made it home. My car's a mess. My makeup's a mess. I got my Subway. My camera died, and I'm gonna have to figure that out because I did not buy a $700 camera for it to die after 4 hours. That's just ridiculous. And obviously it was not on for those 4 hours. But I had a really, really good time today. I met a lot of new people, and I did have to get home before the shoot because I'm 2 hours away from where I traveled to do the makeup. But I cannot wait to see the photos and just show y'all all of the creative masterminds behind today's photo shoot, and I will link all the vendors below so y'all can check them out on their social medias. I just want to thank y'all for watching, and I hope that this gave you some insight to what I do with my time as a makeup artist. Had so much fun today, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.